Good morning. The risks and duties of Uniminuto University. The risks. 1. It can participate in the academic activities that make up the curriculum. 2. I can take the programs in the which I have a role. 3. I can know at the beginning of each period the program of each subject that I'm going to take. 4. I can demand quality in the training process. 5. I can have access to clear and priority information about the rules and procedures of the university. 6. I can know the evaluation criteria and be informed of my results. 7. 8. I can participate in the decision making process that determine the status of the institution. 9. I can receive the web service of the university. 10. I can submit application and claims in the first person and always following the regular doc. 11. I can freely express my ideas and develop autonomously my personalities. 12. I must be treated well in any disciplinary process. 13. I can demand respect for the confidentiality of my personal data, my behavior, my academic records, and my health. 14. I must receive respect from directives, teachers, colleagues, staff, administrators, and service of the university. 15. I can make use of the possibility on transfer and refund in accordance with the regulation. The duties. 1. I must comply with the political constitution of Colombia, the law, the statutory and regulatory norms of the university. 2. I must respect the character of Uniminuto as an institution of Catholic inspiration. 3. I must use my conduct to the standards of morals, culture, professionalism, ethics, and health comes. 4. I must pay the registration fee and time, manner, and the pecuniary right established by Uniminuto. 5. I must know the institutional education project, the regulation, and the curricular project. 6. I must enter the facilities of the virtual platform of Uniminute. 7. I must participation in academic activities that they integrate the curriculum. 8. I must follow the instruction given to me by the staff academic and administrative of Uniminuto. 9. I must personally carry out the evaluation, research, work, and practice. They correspond to me using my knowledge. 10. I must treat all members of the university community. 11. I must use the technology, computer, and Uniminuto communication only of academic. 12. I must refrain from entering and distribution in the university and title. 13. It must join the social security system in any of these forms and mine is affiliation while maintaining the status of a student. 14. I must use properly the protocols of label and the different virtual or electronic. 15. I must aid the academic and disciplinary sections that are imposed on the having the respective procedure. Thank you.